Hello friend, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dimas Bagas Mukti. I'm from C Class Civil Engineering of Univ Tunas Pembangunan Surakarta. And my name is A0119064. Thank you.
Dams are buildings in the form of soil, rocks, concrete, and stone, which are built in addition to holding and storing water. Can also be built to hold and accommodate mining wells, or hold mud to form reservoir. Government's Regulation Number 37 of 2010 concerning dams. Definition, function, benefits, and types of dams. The dam serves as a water catcher and saves it in the rainy season when river water flows in large quantities and which exceed the needs of both for us. Dams are used for irrigation purpose, industrial drinking water, recreation areas, waste storage areas, drinking water reserve, flood control, fisheries, tourists, and water sport. There are some of the benefits and functions of dams. Irrigation during the rainy season. Most rainwater in the catchment area will be accommodated so that during the dry season, the stored water can be used for various purposes, including as an irrigation of agricultural land. B. Provision of raw water reservoir. In addition to being a source for irrigating rice fields, is also used as raw material for drinking water, where urban areas are very scarce with clean water. J. As a hydropower plant in carrying out its function as a hydropower plant, reservoirs are managed to obtain the required electricity capacity. Hydroelectric power plant (PLTA) is a power generation system that is usually integrated in dam by utilizing mechanical energy flowing water to turn turbines, convert into electrical energy through generators. D. Flood control during the rainy season. Rainwater that falls in the catchment will mostly flow into river which will eventually flow downstream, which often result in flooding in the downstream area if the downstream storage capacity is inadequate. With the construction of dams in the upper reach of the river, the possibility of flooding in the rainy season can be reduced, and in the dry season, the water can be used for various purposes, including for hydroelectric power, for irrigation of agricultural land, for fisheries, for tourists, and others. A. Fishery. To replace the livelihoods of resident whose land was used for making reservoir from previous livelihoods to the world of fisheries by utilizing reservoir for fish farming in floating nets or cage. F. Tourists and water sports. With a beautiful view, the reservoir can also be used as a place of recreation, and in addition to a place of recreation, is also used as a place for the water sport and a training ground for the water sport athletes.
Thank you for watching my video. Maybe useful for all of us. Bye bye.